In the WorshipTools Charts app, there are multiple places you can source your music from. Here, I have 2 songs loaded in my service. I have a chord chart for Amazing Grace and a lyric sheet for I Surrender All. Those are just 2 of the many source options that you can have in Charts. To change sources of a song in your service, you'll click the title of the song at the top of your screen. Here, I can see that I'm currently viewing the SongSelect lyrics for I Surrender All, but if I click on it, I can view all the other available sources for this song. Let's go ahead and change it to the SongSelect chords. Now, both songs are showing the SongSelect chord charts, but let's say from here I need to make a change to the SongSelect original chord chart so that it better fits the arrangement that we're doing at our church. To do that, I'm going to click the title of the song at the top again, then Edit Song and Edit ChordPro. Keep in mind that in order to access and edit SongSelect's ChordPro, you're going to need the SongSelect Premium plan. If you have SongSelect Advanced or lower, you'll always have the option to create your own ChordPro manually or paste one in from another source on the internet. If you're not familiar with ChordPro, you can think of it as a blueprint to the chord chart. ChordPro is what allows you to have features like instant key changes, editable arrangements, etc. You can find more information about ChordPro in the support docs section of our website. Now for this demonstration, I'll keep it fairly simple. I'm just going to make a minor change. I'll duplicate the first verse here just by copying it and pasting it right below it. Once I click Save, my edited chord chart with the duplicated verse 1 gets loaded into Charts, and if we open up that song menu again, you'll now notice that my source has changed from SongSelect chords to ChordPro chords. The SongSelect chord source is SongSelect's untouched copy of the chord chart directly from their website. The ChordPro chord source is your edited copy, so that's the biggest difference to note between these 2 source options. Let's get back to our service and take a look at the Amazing Grace sources. Here you'll notice that we have Loop Community Charts available as a source. Loop Community provides multi-tracks and backing tracks for church worship, and they recently started offering charts as well. You can actually use Loop Community's tracks and charts together by syncing the Loop Prime Multitracks app with our Charts app. By doing that, you'll be able to sync your team's chord charts to the multi-tracks to automate your arrangements, page turns, etc. For the last piece of this demonstration, I'm going to add a 3rd song to our service. I'm clicking the hamburger menu in the upper left corner to open up my service order. Then I'll click Add Song, and that opens up the Add Song window. I currently have the SongSelect library selected, but you can see that there are other sources to choose from here. For my 3rd song, I've actually already imported it into my library in the past, so I'm just going to go ahead and select My Library. Now you can search for the song up here, but the song that I want to add is right here at the top, so I'll just go ahead and click on it, and now we have 3 songs in the service order. To find out what source I'm looking at, I can click the title of the song at the top of the screen again. It looks like I'm looking at SongSelect chords. When a song is added to your service, it will appear as the last source that you used with this song in the past. So it means that the last time I had "'Tis So Sweet to Trust in Jesus" in a service, I viewed the SongSelect chord chart. This default setting comes in really handy because if, for example, you're a guitarist, you might always want to view the chord chart source. But if you're a vocalist, you might always want the lead or the vocal sheets. You can always change your source, and whatever new source you choose becomes the new precedent source for the song in future services. Now let's say that the source that I want for the song is not listed here yet. To add more sources to an existing song in your library, you'll click this Add button, and then click on the source that you want to add. I'm going to click PDF and bring in a vocal sheet PDF from my computer. Of course, if you have SongSelect, you can actually access their lead and vocal sheets directly from the source menu, but the PDF option comes in handy if you already have PDF files on your computer that you want to load in. Once we've added that PDF, we can select it and then load it into our service. And now you have this PDF in view and you're a pro at using the source options in the Charts app.